Right, welcome back to another working video, guys. Oh, morning, Rod.
Morning, Andy.
How are you? How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, very well, thank you, Rod. I'm just checking out, see what needs doing again.
You need to move our cars.
Okay, no, I think you should be okay, Rod.
Mine's behind the gate.
Okay.
But if you do that, mine's just ring the bell and we'll move.
Yeah, okay, Rod, no problem. If I get any problems, I'll give you a knock, all right?
Yeah,
Yeah, cheers, Rod, thanks. Okay, right, so we have got some rubbish there, and that needs taken out. Top one over there, downpipe, possibly blocked. Right, I think I'll get my drone up and have a better look. Okay, right, up we go then. Filming. Okay. Some rubbish there. Top pipe. So there might be an issue with this actually, so have a look, shall we? Okay, it doesn't seem to be too bad. Needs to be taken out though, doesn't it? Problem I think could be over here somewhere, where that downpipe is. Okay. Something in the downpipe there does look like it's a bit blocked, doesn't it? Yeah, that's blocked, I think. Okay, no problem. Go over the back. Okay. Back one seems to be fine, so it's front and the back part here looks to be pretty bad. Okay, well, at least I know what I'm up against. Just gives you an idea where I am. Spin you around. There we go. Okay, right, we won't waste the battery because we want to come back later and go out this afternoon, do some flying around in the woods. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? The pipe is okay. That's fine. Ooh, that's a bad one, I think. That's okay, I think, down there. Yeah, that's fine. Look at that. So I've cleaned all the front pretty much. I've just got to sort out the downpipe, which seems to be detached from the main guttering. As you can see, there's a load of rubbish in there. So I literally got to try and can disconnect that somehow. Gosh, now look at that. Okay. Yes, a pretty bad one. Okay. There's a lot of growth in there. What's that looking like down there? That looks like it might be blocked as well. Looks like it might not be going away. I'll sort it out in a moment. That seems to be fine there. Okay, we take this down below, get and work on it, and then we'll reinstall it and try and sort out the problem a bit further down. Okay. Yeah, it came out there quite easily, really. Just a good push, that's all it needed. Okay, so that part sorted out. Seems to be another problem a bit further down though. Goes straight into the ground. I'm not sure what I can do about that. Let's go and have a closer look up there. Yeah, it's full up, isn't it? Haven't got the right tools to sort that out. No, I don't think there's anything I can do about that, to be honest. Okay. If I can loosen it from the bottom, lift it up and try and get to it that way maybe. Let's see if we can somehow. It must go into a drain down there like it does. The drain could even be blocked. There's a lot of water in there, that's for sure. There's a problem. There we go. Ouch. There's a problem coming up from below. Yeah, that needs somewhere bigger and better than me to sort that out, I think. Yeah. Anyway, okay, just put it back together again and tell the customer. We'll put the drone up, see what I've missed. If I have, this will tell me. Filming. Right, see what I've missed. I can get in there again and get it out. Seems to be quite a bit at the back. Seems to come out, needs to come out. Mind you, the guttering being black doesn't really help. I think it's more water than anything else, to be honest. Yep, that's fine. Okay, we're good. Okay.
Landing.
Brilliant. Okay, that's good. We're done. Fronts anyway, gotta go around the back now. Morning. It's I can get them do. Just a minute. Right, we are around the back. Right, here we go then. Move that over slightly. Just go and get my drone, I think. Feels pretty okay up there. Let's have a closer look. Downpipe's okay. It's a slight bit in the corner there. It's a slight bit in the corner there which I need to try and saw out. Apart from that, it's very okay. Okay, bit over this side needs sorting out, so we're going to sort that out now. We've asked the permission to get on this roof because I have to get close to the gutter up there, and I can't get it because it comes out so much and it doesn't quite, it reaches but it just won't do what I want it to do, so I have to get up there with my equipment, get up close and personal, which is fine. Right, there's a little bit of grit in there, but I can't really do an awful lot about that, but it's okay though. It's as good as I'm probably going to be able to get it at the moment, and I think the customer should be quite happy with that. A little bit down there which needs to be taken out. Right, clean gutters and pretty much a clean-ish roof. Right, okay. Right, I've got all my stuff, all my clobber in the car. That was okay. Time now. I'm not sure what the time is. I left my phone at home on charge, didn't I? I put the ignition on in the car, that'll tell me. So I got here just before 10. The time now is, let's have a look, shall we? 11:15. So that's okay. 50 quid, £50 an hour, thereabouts. I thought that's pretty good. Quite happy with that. Anyhow, I'm going to go home now. I think charge my batteries up on this. Almost out of battery. Charge my battery up on the drones. Go out for a afternoon cycle ride with the doggies. Oh, that's better. Oh, it's nice and cold. I think I might go over to Braden Woods today, which is the other side of Swindon. Not being there before, I was told by a friend that it's really good, so I think I'll go home now, offload all my bits and pieces, and make a video later. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye for now.